Me, manners. Don't forget.
Mimi was having so much fun on the playground. She zoomed down the slide, swung high on the swings, and dug for treasure in the sandbox. Her little hands touched everything. Suddenly, Mimi's tummy went rumble, rumble. It was time for a yummy snack. Mimi saw her juicy orange slice and reached for it. But wait, her hands were a little dusty from all the play. Mommy smiled softly. "Mimi Bear," she said, "your hands are full of playground fun. We need to make them clean before we eat. That's a good manner to keep healthy." Mimi looked at her hands and then at her orange. Oh dear. Mommy led Mimi to the wash station near the water fountain. "Let's use water and soap." Mommy showed her how to wet her hands, get some soap, and rub, rub, rub all over. Mimi made funny bubbles and giggled. Then, splish splash, they rinsed them clean. Mimi's hands were so sparkly and clean. She wiggled her fingers and felt proud. Now she could happily pick up her orange. "Yum," she said, enjoying her snack with clean, happy hands.